Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Maths. Today we are going to see the topic substitution method of pair of linear equation. Okay, linear equation means what? The degree is 1. Okay, the degree is 1, like that only x plus y, a plus b, c plus d, like that only is there. Pair means two equations. We are going to see now pair of two linear equation with two variables. Okay, two variables means any two variable means we are knowing that is the alphabet. So it takes a, b, c, d like everything. Okay. So pair of linear equation with two variable, we going to see the substitution method how to solve the equation. This is Karnataka State Board and NCERT syllabus 10th standard. The unit is third unit. Okay. Now we are going to see exercise 3.3 few sums. Okay. First one, they only given the equation. You have to find the solution. That means x and y value is what? You have to find that. The question is root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. What is the meaning of substitution equation? Means give the equation number. From these two equation, using any one equation, first you should find out x value. You should find out x value. Then that x value you have to substitute another one equation. That's all. Okay. So now I will take the first equation. I should find out x value. In case you are having the doubt, shall I find y value? Of course you can find out. No problem. Okay, so root 2x is equal to, this is 0, plus come this side minus. 0 minus only root 3y. Okay, so 0 plus anything same number, 0 minus anything also same number. So minus root 3y, I need only xy equal to minus root 3y divided by, here root 2 is multiplication, so this is root 2. This is x value, now I find out. Okay, using first equation I find out x value. So what shall I do? I want to substitute this x equation to the second equation. Okay, so second equation, substitute x value in second equation. Okay, so what is second equation? Root 3x. In this x you have to find out minus root 3y divided by root 2 minus root 8y, that is equal to 0. Okay, now just see this, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So minus 3y by root 2 minus root 8y equal to 0. Now I want to simplify. One is a fraction, one is a normal. So we have to simplify. There is no denominator, means the meaning is 1. So root 2 into 1 is root 2. 1 into this one, the same thing. Minus root 2 into root 8 is what? Root 16y. Okay, equal to 0. So minus 3y. Root 16y, what is the meaning? 4y. Okay, because 4, root 16 equal to 4. So 4y divided by root 2 equal to 0. Here this root 2 is division. So this side it becomes multiplication. So not necessary to by. So multiplication. Now root minus 7y equal to 0 into anything? 0. So y is equal to 0 divided by minus 7. 0 divided by anything also 0 only. So y value is 0. Y value is 0. This y value you go and substitute the x. This y value you go and substitute to the x. So y value substitute in x. Okay, what is x is equal to minus root 3 by root 2 into y. Y is 0. 0 into anything? 0. So now x also 0. Now I find out x and y value. Okay, the question is over, means let me check. Now our answer is correct or not. How to check? This x and y value, you just want to substitute the equation, you can get the answer. That is called verification. How to verify my answer? The first equation, root 2 into 0 plus root 3 into 0. 0 into anything? 0. 0 into anything? 0. 0 plus 0 also 0. Yes, I got the LHS. Okay, so same way, root 3 into 0 also 0. 0. 0 minus 0 also 0. So my answer is correct. the value of x and y both are is equal to 0. Okay, next one word problem is there. What is the word problem? A fraction become 9 by 11. When the fraction become 9 by 11, if 2 is added both the numerator and denominator. Next, if 3 is added both the n and d means numerator and denominator, short form I written, it becomes 5, 5, 6. Find the fraction. Okay. Now numerator and denominator is there. So solution, let I'll take x be a numerator and y be a denominator. In case shall I take a b, you can take no problem. So I'll let, okay, we can take a also. Let a be a numerator and b be a denominator. So according to this line, yeah, fraction become 9 by 7. 2 is added both numerator and denominator. Fraction format is what? So the fraction is numerator divided by denominator. In this fraction, I added 2. Because both numerator and denominator, it becomes 9 by 11. It becomes 9 by 11. Now, as usual, you have to do the just cross multiplication. 11 into a plus 2 equal to 9 into b plus 2. So 11 into a, 11a plus 22, 9b plus 18. So 11a plus come this side minus 9b. So 18 plus minus 22. So 11a minus 9b is equal to minus 4. This is the first equation I found from the given information. Okay, what is the next equation? How to find out? 3 is added both the numerator and denominator. So a by b, what I should add? Plus 3 plus 3. It become 5 by 6. Okay, do as usual cross multiplication. So 6 into a plus 3, 5 into b plus 3. 6 into a, 6a, 6 3s are 18. 5 into b, 5b, 5 3s are 15. So 6a plus b come this side, minus b. So 15 plus 18 come this side, minus 18. So 6a minus 5b minus 3. It is the second equation. Children, look at this. 18 minus 22. Smaller number minus greater number means just want to subtract and write. You are having only 4 chocolates. You want to give 10 chocolates means what you have to do? You have to borrow. The same thing, borrow means minus. You are having 18, but you have to substitute given 22. So borrow as usual. How much borrow? 4 you should borrow. Understand? So you have to always think the practical example. It is very, very easy for you. Now I find out this 2 equation. Now only we came like these 2 steps. Afterwards what we have to do? Using any one equation, find x value. Then that x value you should substitute the another one equation. Shall I do now? Yes, of course. From 1 I want to find a value. So a only keep aside. Minus 4. So plus 9b. So a is equal to 9b minus 4 divided by 11. This is a value. So a value substitute in 2. Okay. What is 6 into 9b minus 4a divided by 11 minus 5b minus 3. Okay. So you just multiply because it is not cancelling. So 6 9s are 54b minus 24a by 11 minus 5b equal to minus 3. This is one like. So do the cross multiplication. 11 54b minus 24a minus 55b is equal to minus 3. Okay. This is the answer. Oh sorry, this is only minus 4. It's not a because we found out a value only. Now 54b minus 55b. So 54 minus 55 minus 1b. Okay, that is equal to 11 into 3 minus 33 minus 24 comes out plus 24. So minus 1b equal to that 1 is a negative, 1 is a positive. Subtract and write the greater number sign. Greater number is minus, subtracted means 9. Minus and minus cancel. 1b means b only. b is equal to 9. Now we find out b value. This b value you are going to substitute as a. Okay, so we will find out a value here, you know. This b value you have to substitute here. This sum is little bit lengthy, that's all. It is not a tough. It is just a lengthy sum. So we have to substitute a is equal to 9b minus 4 by 11. So what is b value? 9. So 9 into 9 minus 4 by 11. 9 nines are 81 minus 4 by 11. 81 minus 4 is 77 by 11. So a is equal to 7. I got a value and b value. Okay, is it correct? So shall I leave like that? No, the question is you should find out the fraction. Okay, so you should find out the fraction a by b. So the fraction is a by b is equal to a value is 7, b value is 9. Let us verify. Okay, in a by b you should add, it become 9 by 11. Plus 2 means 9, plus 2 means 11. Yeah, it's correct. In a by b you should add 3 to become 5 by 6. So 7 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 10 by 12. Here 10 by 12, that is 5 by 6. Is our answer is wrong? No, it is the equivalent fraction. Just divide by 2, we can get 5 by 6. Understand, children? Okay, so you have to verify your answer. I hope you are understand. Practice more sum. It is easy for you. Thank you.